Hey, what's up? It's Jake, and we're going to be going over the HCP Vault introduction. So up to this point, we've been doing a lot of Vault stuff just kind of like locally, and what I wanted to do was to move this over to HCP as a managed Vault. Um, it's operated by HashiCorp. It gets you up and running pretty quickly and provides a consistent user experience as compared to a self-managed Vault cluster where you really don't know what you're going to get. You can use the same Vault clients to communicate with HCP Vault as you communicate with the self-managed Vault, which is pretty handy. And Armon at HashiCorp published a video on their site on this, and it was a really good video. Short's only 9 minutes long, so I definitely recommend looking into that. Um, but yeah, so if you choose to allow a public connection from your org, the HCP Vault cluster has an associated public IP address where clients can connect to Vault. Most often, orgs disable public connections for security. So the organization can establish, like in the case of AWS, a VPC peering from their VPC and the HashiCorp virtual network. Once you do that, you can ensure trusted clients, users, apps, containers, etc. run inside the VPC connect to Vault and avoid systems outside of your select network attempting to connect. So that's one way you can kind of get around that. Poking a hole in your firewall kind of approach to using public IP addresses. So I want to bring something over into my screen here for you to see, and that's the comparison again of self-managed versus the HCP Vault cluster. So Vault Edition, you don't have OSS with HCP. You have integrated storage, whereas you have to set up storage yourself for self-managed. You have Shamir's secret sharing, my favorite thing, to generate shares by default, and HCP is fully managed, which is pretty awesome. You have to upgrade Vault yourself with self-managed. HCP takes care of all of that. There's a namespace difference. Your generate token button on the Vault with an admin portal. It's pretty convenient. There's a lot more administrative overhead with the admin token on self-managed. You don't have ADP yet, but you can get it with self-managed. However, it does require a license. They are getting to enterprise replication soon with HCP, and there are no limits or restrictions for off messes and secrets engines with self-managed, but there are some limits here. I actually don't think this is a bad thing. I think it's a good thing because it ensures that whatever you're using has been validated, and it's definitely a trusted source. So that's pretty much it. I am going to look into some Vault pricing stuff because I want to build some things and I don't know exactly what I'm looking at doing. But if I do anything, it'll be this development plan. It says it's 3 cents an hour for development workloads, and I'll just be creating and destroying stuff pretty quickly. There is a free trial. I think it's 7 days. That was my HCP premium. I think was 3 days long. So we can take a look here real quick. So here I am. I'm logged in. If I go to Vault and I want to create a network and see how that works, let's go to billing. Yeah, I don't see anything. You do get a $50 credit when you sign up for HCP, so that's kind of nice. I've gone through all this so far with Terraform and Packer and now Vault, and I have yet to incur any charges. So, but anyways, I may or may not sign up for this developer account. It's only 3 cents an hour, so it's no big deal. But you certainly don't have to do that. So, anyways, that's your overview for HCP Vault, and we're going to be getting a little bit more detail. So look forward to that, and I'll see you in the next one.